English together.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
I work in a restaurant.
Oh, really? What do you do there?
I'm a chef. I cook delicious meals.
How interesting. What's your favorite dish to make?
I love making pasta. It's fun to create different sauces.
That sounds great. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, it's a fantastic job. I love it. What about you? What do you do?
Oh, actually, I'm a student. I study at the city university.
That's nice. Are you studying something special?
Yes, I'm studying business. But I also have a part-time job.
Oh, where do you work?
I work at a bookstore. I love being around books.
That sounds wonderful. Do you get to read a lot there?
Yes, I do. I get to read new books and recommend them to customers.
That's awesome. It's great to have a job you enjoy.
I agree. It makes working so much more fun.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.